Hello Pointagrammers, Johnny here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a reach and amount badge. A reach and amount badge is great for setting one-time or recurring targets. In this tutorial, we want to create a badge that is given to a player when reaching 30 appointments a month. So let's start from the badge page, press on the big plus sign, then select the reach and amount badge. Under badge settings, you can change icon. Give the badge a name, select the score series that you wish to base this badge on. Then give it a value of 30, since it's 30 appointments that we are targeting. Then select what type of logic the badge should calculate from. Accumulated points, single points of transactions, or number of transactions. For this example, we will select the number of transactions. There are additional parameters to consider. The period. The period says if the badge can only be won once or each period. When should the badge start calculating, that is the start date. Then who gets notified when a badge is won. And if it's active, and if only certain teams can win this badge. Now press save and then create 30 appointments. Then watch the result in the feed. And that's basically it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.